In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your calendar on Microsoft Bookings, a useful tool for managing appointments and schedules with ease. Whether you're rebranding, updating your business information, or simply in need of a refresh, changing the name of your bookings calendar is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Bookings website by typing in the URL https://book.ms and then pressing Enter. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct login details for the account associated with your bookings calendar, as this ensures you have access to the proper administrative features. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select the specific bookings calendar you wish to rename. If you manage multiple calendars, take a moment to ensure you pick the right one for your intended changes. This streamlines the process and helps avoid any unnecessary mix-ups. It's important to make sure you're in the right spot, so double-check your selection before proceeding. Once you've selected the desired calendar, you'll find yourself on the main page of your bookings account. Direct your attention to the left sidebar where a variety of options are available. From that menu, locate and click on Business Information. This section is where you can manage all the vital aspects of your business profile. Within the Business Information settings, you'll notice a field labeled Business Name. This is where you can enter your new calendar name. Consider this an opportunity to reflect your brand's current identity accurately. Be clear and concise with your new name to ensure both clarity for your clients and consistency across your business communications. If you need to make additional updates, now's a great time to refresh your logo, address, phone number, and business description. While these steps are optional, updating this information can provide a cohesive and up-to-date presentation of your business. Having current details can help maintain a professional image and ensure your clients have the information they need. Once you've entered your new name and made any other necessary updates, it's crucial to remember to save your changes. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Save button. This action will ensure all your updates are applied and reflected in the calendar. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to rename your bookings calendar on Microsoft Bookings. Keeping your business information current is not just good practice, but it also enhances the overall client experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment or subscribe for more tutorials like this. Enjoy using Microsoft Bookings with your newly updated calendar.